The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. In all 50 U.S. states, reports came in about people acting very choppy when walking. In fact, this has not occurred for just people, but it occurs with anything and anyone that's moving. This might even affect time because each second of a minute is taking longer to finish than it usually does. This is not affecting the state of Nebraska yet, but if it strikes, prepare to take the requested action. No action needs to be taken at this time. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this unusual situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an evacuation order for the Western United States. The Western United States has been impacted badly by this strange event. It is believed that the frames per second of time is slowing down in all 50 U.S. states. This is not confirmed at this time, however, all residents in the Western United States are now advised to evacuate the states immediately. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. Wow, this disaster didn't even last for 1 hour and it's already becoming a national crisis. It has been confirmed by the United States government that the frames per second of time is slowing down. Here's how this process goes. It started out as 60 frames per second, or FPS. Every 10 minutes, the FPS drops 5 frames. It has already been 40 minutes, so we have lost 20 frames. So how the world is at 20 frames per second. Crap, that's pretty choppy for real time. If this was an animation, oh yeah, that would look very smooth. But this is reality, not cartoon, so things aren't the same. It is expected for the entire world to be frozen, or 0 frames per second, in the next 40 minutes. Due to this, all residents across the world will be advised to get on a rocket ship or on an airplane at the closest airport near you, and fly as far from Earth as possible. Maybe Mars would be a safe place. Just fly as far from Earth as possible. No one will be allowed to go back home until time starts moving again. So far, that's all we know. We'll be right back after this choppy break. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is about to come to a choppy end. The frames per second is now at 1. Rocket ships are still in the air and are being froze up due to the frames per second being dropped. There is no way to survive this. As ter all freeze id int across the globe that didn't evacuate yet. Gather your loved ones in an underground shelter and wait your eventual death. This is the EAS guy. Paul signing off for the final time. Goodbye, everyone. This is an emergency action termination. The frames per second is now back to the way it was. Everything is safe now and everything is back to normal. However, many objects and humans might be experiencing their first accident in like 1,000 years. How long were we frozen for? Yeah, I don't even want to know it anymore. Normal programming may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this strange, choppy moment. Man, I just feel so weird right now after billions of years.